Jake here. Today, I'm going to show you how I built my own home theater. Let's check it out. So here we got our plates in, waiting for the drywallers to come and do their magic. So in here is the mechanical area. We're going to mount the AV receiver amongst this mess of stuff. Here's where all our wire, speaker wire, everything came in through here. So I've got everything labeled the best I can. And it doesn't look like much now, but it's time to terminate all this stuff and start plugging it in, and in the end tidy all that up. Okay, now because we set up our AV cabinet in an adjacent room, our remote controls, well, they don't work. So to solve that, we picked up the Xantec IR repeater. What that does is basically out front, you mount this guy, which receives your signal, run it through some, we're using Cat 6 through the wall and the ceiling. We'll run it to here, and then it'll spit them out into all 4 channels. You have individual eyes here that mount in your cabinet for each device that's in your cabinet. So once you hit a button on your remote, sends a signal to this, it goes through the wall to this guy, that outputs it to this guy, That outputs it to your receiver, your DVD player, what have you. So here we've got our Cat 6 kind of prepped out. We need 3 wires for this connector. So I just selected the white, blue, and orange, twisted those together, and they go to these 3. Now the problem is these wires are tiny, 24 gauge, I believe. So to connect them, the best way to do that are Scotch locks, these little guys. So go ahead and strip these back, Scotch lock them together, go to the other room. The wire on the transmitter is so tiny that I stripped a little extra back and doubled it over itself, and then twisted it just to make sure we had enough to bite. Here's your connector. Slip it on and pinch the button closed. That's that on the Scotch locks. All right, guys, fast forward a few months. I've gone ahead and finished up the flooring, the sheetrock, the home theater install, and here's kind of how she wound up. Starting up front, we've got the 120-inch black diamond screen from Screen Innovations. Here's how our custom live edge walnut stage turned out. Got your Klipsch RF7-3s, your RP 1400 subwoofer, RC64-2, I think, was the center channel. Ashley Furniture seating up front with the LG Cinebeam laser projector up in the ceiling. Over here, we went ahead and straightened up our exercise area, cleaned that up a ton, wrapped our metal support columns, built a bar that matches the stage, had the live edge top made for me, and I built the base. Also a matching pub table out of the walnut. Turned out great. And so that's pretty well going to do it for my home theater build. Got tons of other videos on the way. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.